Alright my friends, on this phone I have Samsung's One UI on it, and generally I do like this update. However, in this video I'm going to be telling you the worst features I found in Samsung One UI Android 9, and number one is this guy. My friends, Bixby is back, and he's back with a vengeance. There's no way to disable him or her or it. I don't know what's going on with that. So if you go inside settings here, usually there is a button to disable this Bixby key, but now there is no disable option. You can limit him or her or it by press twice to open Bixby. So rather than just pressing once by accident, you have to double press it. And of course, it chooses to work. Bixby obviously works in mysterious ways. It's like a Jesus, you know, it chooses to work when it feels like working. Look at that. It's just confused little fella. Let's see if I can get him working. Unlock the phone. You got a double tap here. And yeah, it's just a bit of nonsense. You can't disable him. And the long press, you can't disable that. Let's see if we can use Bixby actually. Hey, Bixby, navigate to work. Yeah, I can understand that. Like, why do you exist? You just make my life annoying. That is probably the worst feature so far. Next up, then this is actually really sad. Look at the camera. Now, I'm happy that they fixed that red issue, the Rec 2020 orange bug, but unfortunately, they got rid of the auto camera. And auto camera, the great thing about that is you had a photo button and you had a video button all on the same screen. So you can tap on that to photograph and tap on that one to video. However, for some reason, they got rid of that, and you need to always pick between video and photo. So you can't do both actions from one screen. And it has been kind of jarring because sometimes I just wanted to have a little play. But that is that. Pretty sad. But, you know, what can you do? Now, finally, this is, I'm going to the bottom of the barrel here. And this is the app switcher. I really don't like it. I preferred the vertical layouts before. And if you look at it here, it's a bit laggy. It's not a smooth animation. It's very laggy. Before, the vertical one, it was nice and smooth. This horizontal layout, I don't like it so much. And that was it. That was your top 3 reasons why Samsung's One UI isn't that good. However, like I said, generally, I do like it. But this is my experience. However, a lot of people in my previous video have left some comments and they've said it's messed their systems up. Some people have lost audio, some people couldn't play YouTube videos anymore, some people's dates in their galleries have got all messed up. So be careful of doing that. But if you do want to update it, just go into settings, software update, download and install, menu updates, and you should get an update very soon. That's me, your boy AC, signing off one more time from Samsung Galaxy S9. Buy One UI. That's about it. It's free.